everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how you can crochet a shell stitch, which is one of my favorite stitches, especially for adding borders for my crochet projects. And it's very easy to do and the end result is super pretty. So let's get started. So to begin, we first have to attach our yarn, and in this case I will be attaching it here in between the granny squares. So for that I'm just going through the stitch here, then grabbing my yarn and pulling it through, and then just attaching it by making a secure knot like this, just to make sure that nothing is going to unravel. And then to begin, we first just have to pull up a loop like that and just chain one like this. And now we can proceed further with doing our shell stitch. And to begin, we first just want to do another stitch here inside the space where we attached our yarn. And in this case, I will be doing one single crochet. And for that, we just have to go through this same space. Then we are grabbing yarn and pulling it through to have two loops on our hook like this, and then we are just yarning over and pulling through both loops like that. So this is one single crochet, and then after that we can actually proceed further with doing our first shell. And for that we first just have to skip the following two stitches that we have, so 1 and 2, and then inside this third one, this is where we are doing 5 double crochets. And to do a double crochet you have to yarn over, then we are going through this stitch like this, then we are yarning over and pulling through to have 3 loops on our hook, and then we are yarning over and pulling through 2 like this, and then yarning over for one more time and pulling through the remaining 2 like this. So this is one double crochet, and inside this space we have to do 4 more, so we have 5 in total. So let's do one more together. So yarning over, going through this same stitch, then grabbing yarn and pulling it through to have 3 loops on our hook, and then yarning over again and pulling through the first 2 like this, yarning over once more and pulling through the remaining 2 like that. So this is another double crochet that we have added in here, and then we are just repeating the same process until we have 5 in total. So now I have 3, and then just adding one more, so it's 4, and then just the last 5th one like that. So with that we have basically created our first shell, and then our next step is to skip the following 2 stitches that we have, so 1 and 2, and then inside this third one, this is where we are again doing one single crochet. So going through this stitch in here, then grabbing yarn and pulling it through to have 2 loops on our hook, and then yarning over and pulling through both loops like this. So this is one single crochet, and this is how it looks. And basically from now on the process is just repetitive. So first we are again skipping the following 2, so 1 and 2, and then inside this third one we are again doing 5 double crochets. So the same process as before, we are yarning over, going through the stitch, grabbing yarn, pulling through to have 3 loops, and then yarning over and pulling through pairs of 2 times like this. So again 2 done, and we are just adding 3 more to have 5 in total like this. So here I have 5 stitches again, and then after that we are skipping the following 2, so 1 and 2, and then in the third one we are doing one single crochet like that. So this is basically the stitch, and here I have done 2 shell stitches already. So basically just keep on repeating this process to go all the way around, or for however many times it is needed, until you have covered the needed length for the project that you are working on. And in my case here I'm working on a cuff, so I will be working all the way around until I meet this point here, and then I will be connecting it by doing a slip stitch inside this first stitch that I did here. So I will just keep on repeating this process, and then I can meet you back here just to show you how it looks. And now here I have gone all the way around, and I have basically reached the point where I started with this shell stitch border. So to finalize this we just have to do a slip stitch here inside this first stitch, and to do that I'm just going through this stitch, then grabbing yarn and pulling it through like this, and then pulling this loop through the loop that I already had on my hook like that. So now this border is connected and finalized, and we can fasten off. And for that I normally just chain 1, then I'm making this loop a little bit longer, and then I'm grabbing my scissors and cutting off yarn like this, and then as it's cut off we can just tighten it in a secure knot like this. So now this shell stitch border is added, and this is how it looks. So that was basically it for me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial and I taught you something new, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, and I hope to see you later. Bye!